Alright, just got back from my driving test. And for tonight, we're going to be doing another unboxing championship. And of course, I have 3 more from Silver Tempest. And I'm going to start with this card, Chillin' Rain. Hopefully it's another jackpot, like that Pikachu I found. What better way to start an episode with this? Let's see. Aron, Deerling, Delibird, Larfesta, Mareep, Whirlipede, Aggron, Energy, Whirlipede, Crossing Gloves. Now let's do this one next. Fungus, Sandygast, Relicanth, Palucha, Rufflet, Metang. Shoot! I hope I get another jackpot. Relicanth, Palucha, Rufflet, Vulpix, Drowsy, Stunfisk. Ooh, Lugia V-Star. First time getting that. Now that's a jackpot. And another V-Star card. Here's Murkrow, Emolga, Meditite, Durant, Ralts, Marini, Armaldo, Energy, Wallace, Lantern, and that's it. Alright, not exactly what I had planned, but since Sword and Shield got released, and I've got myself a rare holofoil V-Star, that's a clever way to start an episode. Now we're getting somewhere. Now anyways, let the show begin. Now then, let the show begin. Tonight, we're finally gonna draw the one, the only, Dr. Deep! Member of the Chaos Council. You see, guys, after the Paradox Prism shattered, it split Robotnik into 5 different personalities. Well, each one of these personalities are what make up Robotnik what he is. There's Dunnit, Dr. Deep, the one I'm drawing right now. There's, Dr. Don't, Dr. Babble, and of course, Mr. Dr. Eggman. Hang on, did I say that right? Is that his real name? Oh yeah. Here's his sword. The ramifications of this discovery rock my very core. One thing about him, he has his own mech suit. And, well, he also has his own dance moves. In no regards, this isn't some music video, you know. I don't know why Mr. Doctor believes that his dance moves suck. City ruler? More like dance master. Alexa, play Gangnam Style.
Gangnam Style by Psy on Amazon Music.
Oppa Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자 너는 선호해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선호해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선호해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선호해 그런 선호해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까.
Here's his finger.
오빤 강남 스타일. 강남 스타일. 오빤 강남 스타일. 강남 스타일.
I wonder if he should do Gangnam Style
오빤 강남 스타일.
the next time he decides to go on a dance break. That'd be something.
오빤 강남 스타일.
It's been a long time since I've drawn something like this.
보이지만 볼 땐 노는 여자 이때다 싶으면 묶었던 머리 푸는 여자 가렸지만 웬만한 노출보다 야한 여자 그런 감각적인 여자 나는 선호해 점잖아 보이지만 놀 땐 노는 선호해 내가 되면 완전 미쳐버리는 선호해 그냥보다 사상이 올통벌통한 선호해 그런 선호해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 그래 바로 너 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까.
It's hard enough that
오빤 강남 스타일
this guy lives in a place where
강남 스타일
Robotnik won.
오빤 강남 스타일 강남
How is that even possible for 5 council members to be part of Robotnik's crew?
오빤 강남 스타일 뛰는 놈그 위에 나는 놈 베이베 베이베 나는 뭘 좀 아는 놈 뛰는 놈그 위에 나는 놈 베이베 베이베 나는 뭘 좀 아는 놈 What I'm saying 오빤 강남 스타일 Sexy lady 오빤 강남 스타일 Sexy lady 오빤 강남 스타일
There we go. Alexa, play Deadpool.
Deadpool rap, export Deadpool 2 by Team Head Kick on Amazon Music.
Imagine if Droyoid had his personality. One more thing about this guy, Dr. Deep has tattoos. Alexa, play Deadpool rap.
Deadpool Rap by Team Head Kick on Amazon Music.
Here are his buzzsaws that become part of his personality. Here are his feet. Here are his feet. Alexa, play Deadpool rap.
Deadpool Rap by Team Head Kick on Amazon Music.
All right, coming up. There he is. That's how you draw the one and only Dr. Deep. Okay, now would you excuse me? I'm off the Taco Bell.